them? Why is it always them? The black man ain't selling out to the black man.
It's not your system. You didn't create the system. So if you didn't create the system...
Okay, let me say this.
I'm just saying, black folks fuck up shit, and we get tired of dealing with black folks, so we say, I'm ready to take it to the next level on some professional shit.
Right.
So I'm a talented artist, I'm about the art, and they about the capitalism. Black people be about the bullshit.
No, you know what it's about? You know what it's about?
What is it about?
It's about isolationism. And what that is you got to think about yourself.
Right.
You got to think about your family. Fuck everybody. I keep trying to tell you, like, everybody else does not matter.
You're trying to tell an artist how to be an artist. I'm not a selfish
You're not an artist.
Well said.
All right, then I'm not an artist.
You're not an artist.
I'm not an artist.
Yes, he is.
I know he's an artist
I am.
by definition, but my point is that an artist, a true artist, doesn't care about what people think about his art. Most of the people that, let me tell you something. When you look historically at the artists, quote unquote artists, painters, artists, sculptors, people that have gone, when are they appreciated?
When they die.
Post-mortem. Why?
When they die.
Because when they're here, nobody gives a fuck.
Shit.
When they're gone, it's like, oh, his story was so heartfelt. We get it.
Well, how many artists out there that are very successful and
that are living, right?
And are very loved because of that.
Yeah, I mean, we're in the age where Beyonce's here. You know, we just lost Prince. We lost a lot of people this year.
Right?
No, they're not sellouts. What is a sellout? Somebody who provides for their family?
No, just what I was just talking about. Are they getting money from the essential white man who controls some of the key figures of the world?
What, you just want to get money from black people?
You want to get money. You want to get good money.
That was the answer to the question.
You want to get good money and not bad money.
What's good money and bad money?
No, there's a
that
difference.
shit's all good
all
to me.
money is not. See,
it's good money. It's bad money.
Let me just say this. This is what black people. This is what black people go wrong because we think all money is good money. All money is not good money.
All money is good money because it's all bad.
Wow.
So when you get it, it's good.
All money's not bad. All money's not bad.
Okay, well, let's go to the good bank. Let's go to the...
All
right.
It's not good money. But us black people, we get so tired of dealing with black folks that we accept the bad money from white people because they fucking hate us.
White and black thing?
They hate us and they want to see us oppressed, so they like, yo, let me offer this repressed black person this amount of money and get them to...
Right. He gotta get
get them to this side so that we'll get them to do this bullshit. So that we'll get them to do this bullshit and they'll be like a Kanye West. So where they get other black people like myself to believe that this bullshit is the standard of what art should be, when we got them thinking that this is bullshit, that this is thinking that this is the top of the line, when this is really just some bullshit that we got this little...
Have you seen the Yeezys, the new Yeezys?
They're bullshit. They look like
Do you think that it's a joke? It's a joke. But people are paying $250 a pair. Why?
Exactly.
Why?
How do you sleep at night giving your fans bullshit?
Who cares about your fans?
I had to be fucked up, drunk, and high to be okay with the fact that I had an art show last night in which I made almost $100 for it, but I knew I gave a bullshit.
Not $100 whole dollars.
Exactly, it's not a lot of money, but to
$100 whole dollars out of 50 people.
Exactly, but to
$2 a person.
But to a broke person,
we fucking with you. But the
broke person, that's a lie. You know, I'm just showing socioeconomic issues versus money issues. Beyonce is not the smartest person. Kanye is not the smartest person. But we look at them like they're the smartest people because they have so much money. The white men have trillions of dollars. They think that this is millions.
This is the move right here. This is the thing that's about to happen.
Give me some tap dancing.
So all I'm saying,
no tap dancing
to make
over
this
here.
long point,
Taxi
to
that
make this long point.
Look about giving this ride.
Wait,
Taxi.
let me bring in this long point. The long point is that we have accepted all money to be good money, and all money's not good money because...
Oh, no, stop.
Go ahead, all right, no, go ahead, let's talk.
We all tipsy.
All money's not good money, I stand by that.
Okay.
And Kanye West and Beyonce, they accept bad money.
What?
Hold on.
I gotta pause on that one. Hold on, I gotta pause on that.